And we're now getting some breaking news. This is regarding the India versus Pakistan Asia Cup game that has now sparked controversy. Now, ex-BCCI president says sport must go on. Sourav Ganguly has said that stop terrorism, but sport must continue. He goes on to say that India took a strong stance towards terror. And remember, India and Pakistan have been placed in the same group in Asia Cup that is scheduled for September this year. And now a controversy has erupted over this issue where ex-BCCI President Sourav Ganguly has said that stop terrorism, but sport must continue.
Because sports is different. Sports is different. I'm happy that they are playing. It's an honest confession. Pahalgam should not happen. Death should not happen. But sports is sports. So, আমার মতে ঠিক আছে. Game should go on.